Nature is full of scary things. From giant squid that could swallow you whole to spiders that can sense danger through vibrations on their butts. But there's one animal that's truly terrifying, and it's this guy. Yeah, this guy. So tiny you can barely see it, yet so resilient it can survive outer space. I present to you the most indestructible animal in the world, the tardigrade. There are over 1,300 known species of tardigrade, and these little guys are found pretty much everywhere on Earth. They live in hot springs and in the Arctic, in the mountains and in the desert, even inside other animals like humans. You may have even seen one before, but you probably didn't notice because they're microscopic. Most tardigrades are less than a millimeter long, and their small size helps them survive. Just think how hard it would be to find food if you were the size of an elephant. Tardigrades eat algae, bacteria, and other tiny organisms, all things that are abundant pretty much everywhere. So since they can eat basically anything, they can live anywhere. But if you thought their small size was impressive, just wait until I tell you what else they can do. Tardigrades can survive up to 10 times the radiation that would kill a human. They can withstand temperatures as low as -272 degrees Celsius and as high as 150 degrees Celsius. They don't need oxygen to live, so they can survive underwater, in the vacuum of space, and even inside volcanoes. Oh, and did I mention they can also survive outer space? Yeah, they can do that too. So far, we've sent 3 of them into space, and all 3 have survived. Now, you might be wondering, why do they have to go into space when there's nothing up there? Well, tardigrades can survive the vacuum of space because their bodies work differently from ours. Unlike us, they don't have a cell wall. Instead, they have a tough outer shell that protects their insides from the vacuum. And while in space, tardigrades slow down their metabolism to extremely low levels, entering a state called cryptobiosis. In this state, their bodies basically shut down until conditions are favorable again. And when they return to Earth, their bodies move a little slower at first, but then they get back to normal. Scientists think this ability to slow down their metabolism is what allows them to survive so long without food or water. In fact, tardigrades have been known to survive without food for over 100 years. Now, that's not to say they don't ever die. It's just that sometimes dying isn't in their nature. So the next time you're feeling a little stressed out about surviving the zombie apocalypse or a nuclear winter, just remember, you've got nothing on the tardigrade. This little guy has already saved itself from extinction multiple times, and it'll probably keep doing it for millions of years to come. Speaking of the zombie apocalypse, there's nothing more terrifying than hordes of flesh-eating zombies, except maybe a talking zombie. Subscribe for more terrifying tales of nature's most frightening creatures.